Hey everyone, how's it going? So a lot of people really liked our Scorpius Rex drawing that we did not too long ago. So today I thought I would show you how to draw a close-up of the Scorpius Rex's face. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today, and if you're liking these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Scorpius Rex face, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back like this. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Starting here, we're going to add a little line underneath it, and a couple more right there. Maybe one back here too. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come around like this. And then a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go down and then up like this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down at kind of an angle. It's going to come in just a little bit, kind of where the nose would be. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come around. And we're going to make a little line that's going to curve around here. Starting here, I'm going to draw lines just going to go down, and then it's going to come up and down like this. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to go down over to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and we're going to go down off the paper here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, kind of by the back of the eye. And then right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down. And then we're going to make a couple more kind of bumpy lines like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next, we want to add the teeth. Now he's got some really jagged teeth in here, so some of them are going to be a little bit bigger, some a little smaller. You can make some spaces in between them, some can be right behind each other, however you guys want to do it. But we're just going to make some kind of big, sharp, jagged teeth. There are definitely going to be some big ones right towards the front. And then we're going to add kind of the same thing right along the bottom here, a few bigger ones here and there. Add a long line that's going to come down here for the tongue. Make a line that's going to go down, that's going to come around here. For kind of like show where the jaw is going to be. Make another line up here. Make a little line that's going to come right around here. And we're going to make a little line, some little lines are going to come right around here too. For the neck. Next, we're going to make some little kind of curved broken lines here. And we're going to make just some more kind of little broken lines over here too, to kind of show where some indentations in the face are going to be. Make some more kind of broken lines here. We're going to add a little kind of circle shape back here to kind of show where the ear is, and just a little line right above it. And maybe some little broken lines over here just to kind of show some details. I'm going to add a few more little lines kind of right around here. And then I'm just going to make some kind of long kind of lines over here just to show some details. And some little lines around there. A few around the nose. make a little black dot in here with a little white dot in there for reflection for the pupil. And a few just kind of broken lines here for some more texture. Next, we want to make some of the spikes, so we're going to make some long, kind of pointed, tall lines right in here. I want to make a few going right down the back. And then we're going to make just some smaller ones here and there, just to kind of show that there are a few different spikes on here, different sizes. Put a couple more in here too. I'm going to add just some kind of little lines in here for some broken little lines here by the mouth. And we're going to do just a few little lines all around here. A few more back by the eye. And then just a couple more right along here for some detail. You can throw a few more in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Scorpious Rex face from Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.